Up guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set TikTok videos on your phone as a live wallpaper. Now if you look at my phone here guys, you can see that the video is playing in the background. So let's set something a bit more amazing. So you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok application guys, and from here you can simply scroll through. So you want to go ahead and scroll through and find whatever you want, something that looks really amazing. So I like this video here, it looks really good, but let's go ahead and let's find something a little more, nice. So what about this? This is a video. I want to find something really cool. So let's say I like this and I want to set this as my live wallpaper on my phone. Simply click the share button on the lower right hand side. And from here, you want to look at the bottom. You have a bunch of options. You want to scroll down, and here you'll find the option that says set as wallpaper. You tap on that, and from here, you want to go ahead and click and set as a wallpaper again. And here you will see it says set as wallpaper. Tap on that. You can choose this if you want this to be your home screen or you want to set it as your home unlock screen as well. So I'm going to set, for example, home screen, and that's it. Now if I go ahead and I close out of the TikTok app guys, you can see that I have the video now as a live wallpaper on my phone. And that's it guys. That's how to set a TikTok video as a live wallpaper on your phone.